Tesla releasing its first quarter delivery numbers. Phil LeBeau joins us with that. But of course, Phil, have to ask you first about what you think with Elon Musk taking a 9.2% passive stake in Twitter. That kind of came out of nowhere.
Gives you a little something to talk about on a Monday morning. Look, I agree primarily with what Dan Ives had to say. I do not believe this is the end of Elon Musk's involvement in Twitter. It may be a passive stake, but I think this is just the beginning. And I think we've seen this from Elon Musk before, and we're not surprised that he is taking this stake, given what he has said about potentially starting his own social media platform. So I will be curious to see how this shakes out over the weeks and months to come. That happening on the day when a lot of people were going to say, let's talk about deliveries for the first quarter for Tesla. They came out on Saturday, and yes, they were a little shy of expectations. The company delivering just over 310,000 vehicles. 95% were Model 3s and Model Ys. That was expected. Why has Wall Street's reaction generally been pretty positive, despite the fact that this was a little short of expectations? Look at the challenges that they went through. Front and center, the Gigafactory in Shanghai. They had to shut down that plant 4 days last week because of the zero COVID policy in China, and that is the real driver of production and deliveries for Tesla. In fact, Elon Musk tweeted about it on Saturday, saying this was an exceptionally difficult quarter due to supply chain interruptions and China's zero COVID policy. Outstanding work by Tesla team and key suppliers saved the day. So what do we expect from Tesla for the full year? And we haven't seen much of a change in terms of the expectations on Wall Street. It's still about 1.45 million vehicles are expected to be delivered this year. Clearly, that would be a huge jump from the 936,000 that we saw last year. And by the way, the run rate at this point is expected to be 2 million vehicles annually by the end of this year. Doesn't mean they'll deliver 2 million this year, but that will be the production run rate. At least that's the expectation at this point. This is a huge week for Tesla. They have got the Gigafactory in Austin, which is going to be opening officially, delivery starting on Thursday. That's going to be a Giga Rodeo, according to Elon Musk. And then coming up in a little over 2 weeks on April 20th, that is when we get the Q1 results. We'll hear from Elon Musk definitely at that time, or we think we'll hear from him. Remember, he has said in the past that sometimes he may not be on the earnings call unless he has something important to say. I think there's a lot of things going on. Hopefully, we'll hear from Elon Musk on that earnings call. But we're in the midst of a very big period here for Tesla as it ramps up production. Guys, back to you.